Assalamu alaikum and good afternoon. As per the suggestion of some of the students, I am going to give a brief lecture with respect to soul. But before I start my discussion on soul, I repeat, please stay positive, and we are supposed to be very disciplined, extremely disciplined. And apart from that, as we know that entire humankind, entire country and rather whole world is facing a tough time, and therefore this is our bounden duty to make dua for all without making any kind of differentiation. So we should pray for the well-being of every human being. As far as topic is concerned, you must have seen in the study material which I have circulated. Soul software is a product of Inflibnet. Inflibnet headquarter is located in Ahmedabad. What happened in the last decade of the last century? There was a kind of revolution, information revolution, and which has been seen and witnessed by India also. So there have been emergence of many software, library of application software like Alice for Windows, then Lipsys. These were very popular software and made inroad in Indian market. So these, as we know, these all are proprietary software with private backing. However, Soul software has been designed and developed by an arm of UGC, Inflibnet. So you can say with the support of Government of India. So it has many features. First of all, I would like to tell you that the software is having all the standard modules like acquisition, cataloging, circulation, serious control, and opaque. As far as acquisition is concerned, right from the suggestion to purchase any book up to accessioning, it covers every activity of acquisition. Then in cataloging, it meets all the international standards for cataloging like Mark 21 and other formats. It supports all. Then it also supports Unicode, means so we can enter the record preserving its native script. Say for instance, we want to catalog a book which is written in Urdu language. So we can make the entry in Urdu language only. That is the beauty of Unicode. Then circulation, membership database, issue, return, reserve, all the activity. Then fine calculation, everything is done in circulation module. Then serious control, right from the subscription of journals, not only print journals, it also supports e-journals also. Then maintenance of cardex, then list, we can procure, we can generate list as per the foreign journals subscribed by the library, and we can also generate list for the national periodicals subscribed by a particular library. Then opaque supports all types of searches, simple searches, Boolean searches, and advanced Boolean searches. So all kinds of searches are possible in opaque, and from opaque, a particular patron, a user, can put a suggestion to procure any particular book. When he comes across that particular book is not available in the library, he can forward his suggestion using opaque terminal that will go to acquisition. And as far as reports are concerned, the software is capable to generate all kind of reports related to acquisition, related to cataloging, then circulation, then serious control. And besides this report, software can also generate barcode labels, spine labels, then catalog cards also, because some libraries are still, they are maintaining the hard copy of catalog cards because of several reasons. So that is also possible with the help of Soul. Then there is an administration module also. What does it mean? Through administration module, a super user, he can fix the metrics for different users. Means he defined the privileges. Say for instance, he demarcate that a particular person is entitled to work only in acquisition, so he will be having privilege for acquisition. And say for instance, a person is responsible for circulation, then he will, when he will be allowed to work only in circulation. And this is very important. During the discussion, you could remember, you can easily recall, I told you that these are necessarily to be maintained. Why? Say for instance, a person is responsible for return, and you have given privilege. Say for instance, a person is responsible for issue of any book, and you have given the privilege for return also. There is every possibility of you see, misusing the module also. So one day he will issue the book, and another day, you see, there is possibility, so he can return also. So you see, that's why metrics are defined, so that accountability can also be fixed in accordance with the privileges which a person is having. This was all about Soul, and almost all the features, as I told you, have been described. In short, should you face any difficulty in understanding any feature, so you please let me know through the through your group. I will explain it further. As far as Unicode is concerned, I would also like to tell you that through Unicode, software is capable to enter the record virtually in every language of the world. This is the beauty of Unicode. I have given the example of Urdu book. This is not confined to Urdu, Persian, Arabic, Chinese. You see, it also extend to Chinese, Italian, Portuguese, or French, or any other international language, Spanish. And apart from that, it is also possible to enter the record in regional languages also, like Marathi, Tamil, Bangla. This is also possible. So fortunately, like all standard software, this Soul also supports the Unicode. I repeat, Soul is an acronym which is popular for the software. The full name of software is Software for the University Library. It has been launched in ILA conference way back in 2000. So this was all about the Soul. And as I told you that in case you face any problem in understanding the any feature, you please let me know through your group. Thank you so much, and best wishes for all. I hope that you must be utilizing your time well in your academics, in your positive activities, and you see, this is the time which is very crucial for your career. So I would advise that please spend your time in academic activities only. Thank you so much. Assalamu alaikum. We will meet inshallah later.